Hello and welcome to Motomobile Hub. My name is Gaurav and in this video I'm gonna unbox the DIGITEK Professional DV Tripod model number DTR510VD Pro Plus. So this is how the box of the tripod comes, and in the specifications it says that maximum height of this tripod is 5 feet 91 inches, that is 1800 millimeter, and the minimum operating height for this tripod is 815 millimeters, and the height of this tripod after folding it is about 860 millimeters, and it can bear a maximum load of 8 kgs, and this tripod weighs around 3.5 kgs, and it has a 3-way pan with 3 sections for the height adjustment. It has also got a 3-way adjustable multi-purpose quick release head with the bubble adjuster for the horizontal position. According to me, the quality of the bag which comes with this tripod is not that great, and also the build quality of the tripod itself could have been better. Well, I have been using this tripod from last 4-5 months and I found it useful for great panning shots. And with that, I have noticed some of the negative points of this tripod, and the biggest one is that attaching the head to this tripod sometimes can be a task. I remember that once my friend and I were trying to attach this head to this tripod, and it took us almost 2 hours to attach this tripod to the head. Well, this can be a problem with my particular tripod, but it may happen with your tripod also if you buy it. Well, overall I found this tripod very useful for recording the videos with DSLR camera or even with the higher end cameras. It can take the panning shots very well because the head of this tripod is kind of fluidic and it never stucks while panning. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video, and in case you wanna buy this tripod, I will provide the link in the description below. And yes, if you will use my link, that will definitely help the channel. And do hit that like button on this video. Do share this video with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel. Do check out the other videos by this channel. It's bye for now. See you soon in the next video.